Hi, I'm Erin, one half of Team U2. My teammate Sydney will be joining us here in just a bit. We're two master students working on a website called Explained that's intended to demystify AI for K through 12 educators. As you may recall from last week, we mentioned our plan to work on refinements and small details during this development phase. And that's exactly what we've done this week. Here you can see a spreadsheet Sydney created with all the pages on our site. This is helping us keep track of the adjustments we make on each page, who made them, and a quick description of what they entailed. Obviously, we don't want to duplicate efforts, and with this many pages, we want to ensure we don't miss anything. We began the polishing process with our lessons. We've proofread them for clarity and any grammatical or spelling issues. Though we had already done some linking previously, we knew we wanted to increase linking across the site. So in addition to making any small corrections to punctuation and style, we did a more thorough sweep to ensure we connected our lessons to any other related content on the site. We also looked for any other inconsistencies such as heading usage, terminology, etc. To be clear, what's on the screen is just an example from one of the 12 lessons we polished this week. One other thing we didn't mention planning to do, but decided we wanted to go back and check, was our site's responsiveness. Even though we prototyped the site mobile first, we spent most of our time building it out in desktop mode, just because that's the default in WordPress. We had already made things like the header and footer responsive during initial development, but as we've iterated, even those have changed. But as you can see, our homepage, header, and footer look good across all device sizes now. There are a couple more spots where we want to work on that. Now I'll turn it over to Sydney to talk a little bit about that and the rest of our plans.
Thanks, Erin. Up next, we intend to go back over our activities just as we did our lessons. We'll be proofing them, as well as exploring adding new lessons or using alternative resources to our current ones. We'll also clean up any remaining issues with responsiveness. We just need to ensure that our page headings and titles adjust properly for different screen sizes. We also need to figure out the best way to handle tabs for our Learn homepage on mobile. We're looking into an extension that will run an audit on our site's performance and responsiveness and then provide us with a score and feedback. Thank you for watching our 1.0 50% update. We'll see you soon for 75%.